Hello guys, how to fix Cldft sys BSoD blue screen of death error on your Windows 11 and Windows 10 system. And to fix this issue, the first workaround is remove conflicting apps on your system. Go to run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key and here type appwiz.cpl to open program and features windows on your system. Press OK and here program and feature window appear. Uninstall or change a program. Look for apps having conflicting issue with another apps. Simply select it, find out first problematic app and select it and choose uninstall. And check whether your blue screen of death error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is again launch run command box and perform a clean boot of your system. Check another apps also and remove all apps first. Then clean boot your system. Again press Win plus R shortcut key to launch run command box and in run command box type ms configuration and msconfig. Press OK. System configuration window will appear on your screen. Here from the top menu bar, click on services, hide all Microsoft services, make the check against this option and thereafter choose disable all. Thereafter from the top menu bar, go to a startup tab, open task manager and here look for all the enabled found enabled. Simply manually disabled it. Right click on it and choose disable. One by one disable all your startup apps from task manager window. Simply select it, right click on it and choose disable. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows settings by pressing Win plus I shortcut key to open settings. And here from the left side, go to Windows Update. Thereafter, go to right side and choose Update History. Click on it. Here, scroll down and you will find the option Uninstall Updates. Sometimes any recently installed updates may be a cause of BSoD error, so simply uninstall Windows latest update installed in your system. After that, restart your system. And the next method is scan your system with DISM tool and SFC scan now. To do so, go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, execute DISM tool as shown on screen, DISM scan health, DISM check health and DISM restore health. Execute these all three commands one by one followed by enter key on each time to scan your system. And once all these three commands successfully executed, thereafter run SFC scan now command to check any corrupted system files in your system. Press enter and let the window scan your system. After that, restart your system. Your BSoD error definitely